Good morning, truth seekers. We're here to solve one of the great problems that has plagued modern civilization for many, many years. And I'm talking, of course, about the relative sizes of coffees in different cafes. Normally, you'll find three sizes: small, medium, and large. But there are some chains that define their own sizes. In one case, tall, grande, and venti. What's the truth? Where are you getting more coffee? That's what we're here to solve for you. We'll get rid of the small versions. We'll just use the largest, the venti, and the large. And I think if you simply use your own eyes, do your own research here, your own comparison, you can see the venti is plainly a little bit bigger than the large, and you're getting more coffee there, and that's the truth that you need to see. Now this is a little better, easier seen if we double up. So venti, venti. And you can see that venti venti is clearly larger than large large. You're definitely getting more coffee there, and that's how that's a little bit easier to tell. That's the research we've done for you. But the some of you have said, some of our guys in the back said, you know what, maybe it's just an optical illusion. Maybe the difference in the images, this is a rather large image, this one's rather small, does it still persist if you don't look at the designs? And sure enough, I can turn them over like this, and you can see that just by turning it over, it doesn't change a thing. The venti is still larger than the large. Okay, that's confusing. That's a little confusing. We're going to have to work on that. It's pretty clear that if you look at the design signs like you're supposed to, that the ventis are bigger than the larges. And obviously we know that every venti is the same size as every other venti. Every large is the same size as every other large. So every large large is the same size as every other large large. But is the large venti the same size as the venti large? You can see for yourself that it's not. That's a little bit confusing. What's even stranger is this: when you realize that venti is merely Italian for 20, which is the same number of ounces in a large. In that case, as you start thinking about that, as it settles into your brain, you can almost see the venti getting smaller and smaller in your mind. And in fact, it is now smaller than the large. So venti's smaller than the large, if you really know the truth. As a matter of fact, you can feel that truth settling in, and watch as you see the venti shrink. Actually, the truth is that they're all the same size. I don't even know why we bother, and that's the truth.